Platforms collect your phone number to track you, so give them one that isn't yours. You can run a VPN. You can lock down your browser fingerprint, clear your cookies, use private tabs. But the second you type your real phone number into a sign-up form, you've handed platforms a permanent identifier that follows you across every account, every app, every login, forever. And if you've tried free virtual numbers to get around this, most platforms reject them on the spot. They know. There's a cleaner way to handle this. First, go to MobileSMS.io and pick up a long-term rental number, not a VoIP number, not some app-generated fake. A real SIM card-backed mobile number from an actual carrier, the kind that passes verification on over 2,200 platforms, including Google, WhatsApp, Tinder, Amazon, Facebook, and more. Second, use that number to verify whatever account you're creating. The SMS code lands in your mobile SMS dashboard within seconds. You enter it, you're in, and your real number never touched that platform, not once. Third, keep the number for as long as you actually need it. Long-term rentals mean you hold on to the same number for days, weeks, or months. So when a platform sends you a re-verification code, a login alert, or a two-factor prompt, it still goes to your burner, not your real phone. When you're done with it, you let it go. No trace, no link back to you. This is what it looks like to actually separate your identity from your online accounts, not just in theory, but in practice. Your phone number shouldn't be the thing that gives you away after everything else you've done to protect your privacy. MobileSMS.io. Real SIM numbers, real privacy, starting at $3.50. Link is in the description. Go grab a number before your next sign up.